W+D202, recognized worldwide as the envelope machine that works off the reel, manufacturing small-size envelopes with the highest rate of continuous output. The envelope industry has a new generation of machine available with the W+D202RE, acknowledged internationally in the areas of functionality, efficiency and usability, and as such secures its leading market position. The even higher production speed compounds these enhancements. Faster change times by about 40%, lower costs for size tools by 20%, and a speed of up to 1,600 envelopes per minute are convincing and competitive arguments. With that, the W+D202RE is the ideal machine in order to produce large amounts under the highest qualitative and economic requirements. It can be integrated into a high-speed production facility as a core component. From the unwinding of the paper reel to the inline flexo print, all the way to the automatic packaging and palletizing of the cartons with packed envelopes. In order to increase the production reliability and the consistent quality even more, the W+D202 can be equipped with a new inline quality control system. The automatic paper reel splicer, W+D191, ensures precise and controlled material feed during operation. The web tension is always kept steady and individually adjustable. The W+D202RE can be equipped with a flexo print stack and as such offers a multitude of possible prints, from the standard flexo print all the way to the process print. The paper fed from the reel is centered exactly and adjusted using the web aligning system. It is located either on the print stack or as a separate unit at the entry of the machine. From there, the web is guided through a servo-driven pulling roller to the cross-scoring section, which is quickly adjusted with its optimized cross-scoring roller and positioning meters. This is where the cross-scoring for the bottom flap and seal flap takes place. Following this, the paper web is pre-scored for the side flaps with the help of longitudinal score wheels. The format cutting section administers the side cutting of the paper web. It has the standard equipped solid knives, but can be used with a W+D Easy Cut magnetic cutting technology as an option. The station was optimized in such a way that during a size change, only the cutting roller had to be exchanged. The difference in height, which depends on the diameter, is balanced out by the newly developed web guide. A servo-driven pulling roller disengages the scoring and format cutting section from the window cutting section. Due to the precisely adjustable web tension, larger windows can also be cut without any difficulty. New in the machine is the already well-known and well-proven window material patching section of the W+D627. Equipped with 4 servo drives and cantilever bearing of all web guiding parts, change times are clearly reduced. For instance, it is possible to exchange the conveyor cylinder without much effort, or adjust the patching section axially by plus or minus 100 millimeters. With this, the work most frequently done at the window patching section can be performed much faster and easier, an asset which decisively improves the economical use of the machine. The window material is fed without breaks using the automatic window material roll splicer, W+D190, into the patching station. The side flap folding station is equipped with a separately powered suction transport belt, which ensures that the paper web is guided precisely during the folding process and at the same time implements a pulling roller function. Following this, The web is cut in the separating cutting section and subsequently separated and taken to the segment roller by a separately driven and format-independent transport belt, supported by adjustable rolls. Operation is easy and the change time is minimized because the format-dependent transfer shaft is no longer needed. The gumming of the side flaps is done by easy-to-clean and operate nozzle gluing, which is a feature that can be optionally equipped with the inline quality control system. Immediately following the gumming of the side flaps, the bottom flaps are precisely folded in the bottom flap folding station. The folded envelopes are taken to the staggering station on a transporter. Segment roller, bottom flap folding and staggering section can have accurate adjustments made separately or in groups during operation. The seal flap can be treated using the roller gumming unit with either remoistening dextrine gumming or with the additional feature using self-sealing latex glue. The seal flap can alternatively be furnished with pressure-sensitive gumming with cold glue or hot melt and silicone protective strip. For example, with a hot melt pressure-sensitive gumming, the silicone paper is taken from the W+D202RE unwinder in a controlled fashion past the wide slitted nozzle. The hot melt is administered intermittently and then the silicone paper is moved to the patching section. The gummed silicone paper is cut and each protective strip is precisely adhered to the seal flap. Then the envelopes are transported through an energy-efficient infrared dryer system. The energy savings can be as much as up to 60% in comparison with conventional drying using hot air nozzles. At the end of the drying run, the envelopes are separated and precisely placed into the aligning section. This is where products can be ejected, either manually by pressing a button or automatically in connection with the inline quality control system. The seal flap folding section will fold the flaps on the accurately aligned envelopes. The finished envelopes are electronically counted and properly placed onto the delivery table. Central operation is at the touchscreen monitor. The operator, guided by the menu, can enter data, change settings, or just be informed on the status of the machine. The format area of the W+D202RE covers the common formats for mass production. As standalone or as an automatic production facility, the new generation of W+D202RE stands for a high production output with optimal performance and quality. Reduction of costs for size tools by about 20%. Reduction of format change times by about 40%. Reduction of energy costs by about 60%. And the increase of speed to a maximum of 1,600 envelopes per minute. Reaching the top from every angle. The Winkler+Dünnebier 202RE.